It takes 21 days to get into a new habit or to quit a bad habit. Coca-Cola was originally green. Copper door knobs are self-disinfecting. Computers are powerful but not as powerful as our brain. According to researchers, chewing gum boosts concentration. According to UNESCO, North Korea literacy rate is 90 to 100%. California king snake lizard lunch bites back. Louis Vuitton burns all its unsold bags at the end of the year. Bangkok University makes students wear anti-cheating helmets during midterms exams. Italy's court has ruled that stealing a small amount of food or to starve of hunger is not a crime. Tom Cruise earned $75 million for his role in Mission Impossible 2. This is barrellet fish and it is the first fish to have a transparent head. Did you know honey does not spoil? That tiny pocket in jeans was designed to store pocket watches. The first cell phone took 10 hours to charge and had 30 minutes of battery life, cost $10,000. Some fungi create zombies and then control their mind. The 178-year-old preserved head of Portuguese serial killer Diogo Alves. The US purchased Alaska from Russia for just $7.2 million in 1867. The fastest gust of wind ever recorded on Earth was 253 miles per hour. Tigers are most revenge-seeking animals on Earth. There is a river zoo in China that puts you in a cage and lets the animal run free. Eating mangoes before smoking marijuana can heighten its effects. Laughing for 15 minutes has the same health benefit of 2 hours of sleep. The inventor of microwave appliances only received $2 for its discovery. Men can read smaller print than women. Doctors' messy handwriting kills more than 7,000 people every year.